आर्ट एंड कल्चर कला आणि संस्कृती खात्या खातीर एकूण तरतूद 27.48 कोटी वाढल्या आणि ती 195.60 कोटी रुपयाज आसा. Speaker sir, my government has initially end-to-end digitalization of Kala Sanman scheme and which will allow the applicants and beneficiaries from the online tracking the status of their applications and also save their time to visit to the office. Speaker sir, the work of the structural repair and renovation of Kala Academy is 90% completed and scheduled to be the complete and open for the public in this year. 66% of the project work of the Ravindra Bhavan at Konkani is estimated to be completed by May 23. Also 77% of the civil work of Ravindra Bhavan at Kurcharam is completed and estimated to be completed by the May 23. For the upgradation of the infrastructure cultural institution, capital outlay of rupees 45 crores has been provided. Speaker sir, I propose to take up the construction of Rangabhumi Kalaghar in Priyol constituency. Speaker sir, to create the better reading facilities in the state, my government is intent to start eco-friendly green library at Fonda and as well as well-equipped library at Kurcharim. सभापती महोदय, कला आणि सांस्कृतिक मळाचेर तालुकावार कलाकारांनी निर्देशिका तयार करपाची माझी येवजण आसा, जी गोंयांतल्या कलाकारांची माहिती रेडी रेफरन्स आसतली. त्याचो वापर वेगवेगळ्या उद्देशा खातीर आणि सरकारी धोरणात आणि योजनेचेर बरे तरेन अंमलबजावणी करपा खातीर करूं येता. सभापती महोदय, एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत खाला सांस्कृतिक आदान प्रदान कार्यावळींतल्यान आमची पारंपारीक कला आणि सांस्कृतिक दाखोवपा खातीर नव्या राज्या कडेन संबंध जोडपाचो गोंय राज्याचो विचार आसा.